அன்று இவ்வுலகம் அளந்தாய் அடி போற்றி, சென்றங்கு தென்னிலங்கை செற்றாய் திரள் போற்றி. அன்று இவ்வுலகம் அளந்தாய் அடி போற்றி, சென்றங்கு தென்னிலங்கை செற்றாய் திரள் போற்றி. பொன்ற சகடம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி, பொன்ற சகடம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி. கன்று குனிலாய் எறிந்தாய் கழல் போற்றி, குன்று குடையாய் எடுத்தாய் குணம் போற்றி. வென்று பகை கெடுக்கும் நின் கையில் வேல் போற்றி. என்றென்றும் சேவகமே ஏத்திப்பறை கொள்வான், என்றென்றும் சேவகமே ஏத்திப்பறை கொள்வான். இன்றியாம் வந்தோம், இன்றியாம் வந்தோம் இரங்கேலோரும் பாவாய். இன்றியாம் வந்தோம் இரங்கேலோரும் பாவாய்.
அன்றியு உலகம் அளந்தாய் அடிபோற்றி, சென்றங்கு தென்னிலங்கை செற்றாய் திரள் போற்றி. பொன்றச் சகடம் உதைத்தாய் புகழ் போற்றி, கன்று குணிலா எறிந்தாய் கழல் போற்றி. குன்று உடையா எடுத்தாய் குணம் போற்றி, வென்று பகை கெடுக்கும் நின் கையில் வேல் போற்றி. என்றென்றும் உன் சேவகமே ஏத்திப்பறை கொள்வான், இன்றியாம் வந்தோம் இரங்கேலோர் எம்பாவாய். This pasuram is one of the most auspicious pasuram in Tirupavai. That is the reason this is always recited twice. Since the prayer is in the form of a pallandu, it can be recited more number of times. The Ganapremai, the deep affection of the gopis for the Lord Krishna, poured in the fourth form of a Mangalasasanam and pallandu here. They completely forgot what they have come for. First, they hailed the Tiruvadi that measured the universe as Trivikraman. Andriyu Ulagam Alandai Adipavotri. This is the third time Andal refers to Trivikraman mysterious deeds in Tirupavai. Ongi Ulahalanda, Ambarmuda Tongi Ulahalanda, Andriyu Ulagam Alandai Adipavotri. 3 times. The Anusandhanam of 3 times by Andal is perhaps to remind us that Vamanan begged for 3 feet of land from Mahabali. Mahabali could not succeed in giving him the 3 feet, but she, the Andal, gave him 3 feet. How she gave 3 feet? Each Tirupavai Pasuram has 8 feet or 8 adi. She devoted 1 adi in each of the 3 Pasurams to salute the magnificent deed of Trivikraman, which is hailed by the Vedas. The Trivikrama Avataram is also hailed by the Vedas. The gopis say, Andriyu Ulagam Alandai Adipavotri, Indriyam Vandom. After saluting the Mahabali Vridantam, the gopis saluted the valor of the Lord in destroying the Ravan as Rama, Sadakasura in Krishnavataram, and the wondrous deed of lifting the Govardhanagiri to teach Indra a lesson. The inner meaning of this pasuram is, gopis are saying that we have arrived today to sing Pallandu for your valorous deeds in the Vibhava Avataram, and also to seek your Kaingaryam, Paramapadam. Endendrum un sevagame, endendrum un sevagame, ethi parehulvan, indriyam vandom. This all talks about the Kaingaryam. Please have a day for us. Have a day. Give us Irangu. Irangu means please give a day for us. And then they say that we hail a sphere like sharp-edged Sankalpam. Now we have taken a Sankalpam of yours, which banishes the obstructions to gaining the Moksha Siddhi. வென்று பகை கெடுக்கும் நின் கையில் வேல் போற்றி. whatever the Virodhi's Swarupam, Virodhis for our moksha, that has to be destroyed. Kandru Kunila Erindai, Kadal Potri, Kadal Potri. Gopis are saying that we are hailing your heroic deeds, destroying the powerful dandam. With the powerful dandam, you are throwing at our punyam and papam, and you are destroying our punyam and papam. Sagadam Udaitai Puhal Potri. We also hail your glories that destroy the manoradhams of the Jivatma. This manoradham of the Jivatma is the main cause behind the Swargam and Naragam Anubhavam, and you have destroyed it. Angu Sendirangu Tennilangai Chetrai Thiral Potri. What a Sakti, what a Samarthyam. It is manifested through your presence in the universe as a Andaryami, Vibhavavataram, Acharyan, and also for conferring the power of Vivegam to ward off our Moksha Virodhi. You have given the wisdom so that we can overcome the Moksha Virodhi. That's what Andal says. And then we can attain Moksham. Slowly, gradually, the young gopis could find Lord Krishna. And he was sleeping and now slowly getting up and slowly walking towards them. She is pleading mercy. Most important part of this Pasuram is, this is a Mangala Sasanam, Pallandu, because during this period we don't recite Pallandu. And it is a great equal to Pallandu. So we recite it twice. We can recite it any number of times. And remember, in Tirupavai, in 3 places, Trivikrama Avataram is being hailed by Andal. And this is one such.